chicken coop right now, and we're gonna go inside. Here it is. So right here is a black chicken, an orange chicken, another like orangish brownish chicken. Oh, that was our turkey. Like orange, gray, and black. 2 browns. Those are the ones that you see. And then here's a fluffy black one. And then here's a turkey. So I'm gonna show y'all the eggs of our chickens. The turkey lays nice, pretty eggs. My mom might have already got all of them. Here's all of our chickens. And there's some in there, some like around here, and some out here. The turkey loves the chickens. And it loves making that noise. Hi, turkey. Coco. 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 See what he's doing. He's kind of scared of us, but he's super sweet. Okay, one sec. Okay. Okay, I just stepped in the ant pile. Okay, now I'm gonna hit this volleyball. Okay, come on, ready? Watch it fly over your head. I bet y'all didn't see that. Okay, ready? Okay, now I'm going back in the house. Wait, this isn't the proper way. Okay, back